Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Boom, boom, aka like a boom. Boom, boom, aka like a boom, boom. Boom, boom, aka like a boom, boom. Did you see that? Was that a dinosaur? Did you? Hey.
Yeah.
Have you seen a dinosaur?
No, they're extinct.
They're not anymore.
Okay.
Whitecaps President Scott Lang. Have you seen a pink dinosaur anywhere?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tall, pink, sunglasses.
No.
Well, if you see him, please tell me.
I will.
Hey, you.
Yes.
Have you seen a pink dinosaur?
Pink dinosaur.
Yeah.
Dinosaur went that way. That way.
This way? Okay, thank you. It's you. I found you. It's the Whitecaps dinosaur. So good to see you. Come down to Fifth Third Ballpark and do the dinosaur with us on May 7th for the first Farm Bureau Insurance Fireworks Saturday.